video, we're going to unbox two Ever After High dolls, Cedar Wood and Blondie Locks. You can tell by their package design that these are two older releases from Ever After High. Cedar Wood is the daughter of Pinocchio and Blondie Locks is the daughter of Goldilocks. The packaging has that beautiful book detail that I love with the spine and page detail at the top. On the back of the box, it has the original tagline, "Are you a royal or a rebel?" with some details of each character and some illustrations of other dolls released around the same time. Blondie Locks. On a never-ending quest to find what's just right, the candidly honest Blondie may be opinionated, but she also has a heart as warm as Baby Bear's porridge. Her friends royally love her endearing honesty and bouncy personality. Through her Mirrorcast show, Just Right, Blondie hopes to unlock new doors of opportunity to her true happily ever after, proving she actually comes from fairy tale royalty. Cedar Wood. Created from the same magical wood that brought her father to life, Cedar is creative, genuine, and always honest. Unfortunately, she's literally always honest, as her father accidentally wished for an unbreakable curse that makes her tell the truth no matter what. But Cedar is one persistent puppet who never gives up on her personal journey to become a real girl. As these are original releases of Ever After High, I'm expecting these dolls to be fully articulated and have lots of cute details and accessories. Don't know if you saw, but in the unboxing, Cedar Wood's hand came off. Fortunately, it snapped right back in. Out of the box, both these dolls come with doll stands, brushes, and these little kind of storybook brochures. The black stand and brush came with Cedar Wood, and the gold stand and brush came with Blondie. Each doll is fully articulated at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. Unfortunately, both dolls also came with some hair issues. Blondie's looks a little problematic in the back, and while Cedar's doesn't look as bad, she has some glue seepage at the scalp. Blondie does as well, but not nearly as bad. You can hardly feel it here, but definitely, and you can kind of see it, it's just a little gross and sticky feeling. So they both need a little bit of hair help. First, let's take a closer look at Cedar, who has some really unique details. She has a wood grain sculpted onto her body because she is supposed to be made of wood, as well as this little kind of hinge detail at her joints. Some of the wood sculpting continues along her chin and a little bit around her forehead. She has that little heart detail on her lips that some of the original dolls had. She is wearing several pieces of jewelry, including these gold earrings that have some wood grain detail, this forest-themed gold bracelet, this tiny blue fairy ring, and this green cricket barrette in her hair, obviously a reference to Jiminy Cricket. I also love the way Cedar's hair is styled with the brown and lavender strands twisted around her head. So cute. Her dress has some really cute details, such as these suspenders and collar that are reminiscent of the classic Pinocchio costume. Her skirt has a really pretty print with some gold detail. Her dress is one piece and Velcro's in the back. She's wearing some shimmery socks with some ribbon trim and these really adorable kind of platformed heeled sandals with wood carving detail. She also came with this little handbag, again with kind of a sculpted wood detail and this lavender braided strap. And the purse actually opens. So cute. Blondie Locks comes wearing this adorable dress with this little bear portrait detail on the skirt. I love the key print on her top and this little sweet bow. She's got adorable little trim around the neck and shoulders. The dress is one piece and Velcro's in the back. She's wearing a little gold heart ring and a gold charm bracelet with heart and key and bear detail. She also has this gold heart purse with a blue handle. She's wearing gold earrings, again with some bear and key detail, and this blue bow headband. She's also wearing blue stockings and these little black heels with some fur sculpted detail at the top, and the heels also have some key detail. Both these dolls are super adorable, and I miss all of these details that came out of the original designs.